You must have seen those pictures on the internet where a sketch that is drawn on paper is painted digitally, that it almost looks like a traditionally colored drawing. And you must have wondered how they do it. So if you're looking for the answer, you've hopped on the right video. Cause today, I'm about to show you just that. And plus me recording the entire drawing process. So enjoy! So I start my drawing with a very rough sketch of a random stylized face with a colored pencil. This stage is like the skeleton of our final digital painting that we're about to make. You must be thinking why I'm using a colored pencil instead of a normal graphite pencil. Why take off the comfort of erasing inappropriate sketch lines? And this is not an effort to show off my skills or anything of not needing an eraser, but it is because when you use a colored pencil you get more of that pressure sensitivity. This basically means that you can control your strokes even better. Initially, we might fear that we'll not be able to rub off our lines if we've put them wrong. But once we start to get the hold of this pencil, we won't even be needing any eraser at all, because we'll be just so much in control of our sketch lines. So try that once and you'll spot the difference. This is the part where we take pictures of our duplicate canvas. So get some good natural light or artificial light and just click off. This is my iPad Pro 11-inch and this is where we'll be making our further progress for today. Please turn on your speakers because even if you're bored sometimes, this will keep you going. The app that I use is Procreate and now we'll just import our base picture. After we've imported our photo, we'll just switch our layer from normal to multiply. Then create a new layer and bring it below the first one. This layer is where we'll start painting. The brush that I'll be using will be of a chalk texture because I want to have a traditional kind of feel to my digital painting. Just doing with some color blocking of the base colors. After I am done with the base tone, I create another layer and turn on clipping mask and then start with the midtones.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Now just starting slowly with the darker tones.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.
Now goes in the highlights.
I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say
Me setting the timer on because my camera just stops recording every 10 minutes, which is really so annoying. Now this is time to get on with the little details.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
Here's a friendly reminder for you that if you like my art and want to support it, then please give me a follow on my social media handles. I'm on DeviantArt, Twitter, and Instagram as RAJBALLABHH, which is Rajballove, and on Facebook as RAJBALLABHHH, which is also Rajballove. So please go and check those out, because that is also where I post all of my drawings.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
So we've come to an end of our video, and this is our result. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below and what you'd like to see more from me in the future.